Do you feel like you're drowning in a sea of unread emails, lost documents, and missed appointments? Do you waste hours searching for that lost document that you know that you have, or you're always running behind and feeling like you're missing important appointments? If your digital disorganization is holding you back from focusing on what truly matters, which is making more money, right? And being more successful and growing your business, you're not alone. But here's the good news, it doesn't have to be that way. Hi, I'm Kathi Burns, and for the last 20 years, I've been helping coaches, authors, speakers, as a professional organizer and personal stylist, turn their chaos into cash, eliminate their overwhelm, get more done in less time, and make more money. That's what it's all about, right? So I'm here to help people save time and boost their productivity. With creative, tailored solutions, I transform overwhelm into clarity so you can focus on growing your business and achieving greater success. I help my clients streamline and simplify their business to create more enjoyable work-life balance and create more space for what truly matters. I'm here right now to invite you to a free masterclass. It happens on April 15th, and I'm so excited about it. It's going to help you declutter your inbox and keep it organized for good. It's also going to give you time-saving strategies to automate repetitive tasks and save hours every single week. I'll also show you how to prioritize your most important task and never miss a follow-up again. Plus, I'll share my top tips for using Google Workspace tools like a pro so you can focus on what really matters, which is always growing your business, right? Don't let email overwhelm or disorganization hold you back any longer. Let's tame your inbox together, release your digital clutter, and create space for what truly matters. I can't wait to see you there. Click the link to reserve your seat. It happens April 15th. Seats are very limited, so go ahead and save your seat now and mark it in your calendar. I'll see you there.